Good morning, everybody. Well, at least it's morning for me, but it's dead early. Like, it's not even 7 o'clock yet. But for the love of you guys, I am awake. I'm not a morning person. So, stick with me and let's find out where will we go today. So we're doing something very new today, and while it's early, I'm a little excited. Somebody hasn't really woken up yet, so I can't really show you guys because he looks a little grumpy.
Do not talk to me until I have had my coffee.
Road Marshal, Sea Marshal today. Boom. Boom. You. This is yours, sir. This is yours. And then you can put on these when I get over there. With these strings. Man look ready, man look like you did this before. And then have a mask. Alright, your stuff. Sash.
You look like you're ready.
Sash, alright?
Yeah.
Alright.
He looks like he's ready. Don't worry, people. This is necessary paperwork because we want to be safe.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
So we're ready.
You finished with yours?
No, I was reading it.
Alright.
Okay. Yeah, man, you look like it.
Ready, man.
He's definitely done this before, and he's just been capping to me.
Yes. Alright, good.
People, I might be weak because why does this feel a little,
Yeah, it feel a little weight,
feel a little.
And then I said, yes, on the thing.
What? Is it me? They didn't tell me I'd be lifting weights today.
Oh, they're not, actually, they don't even know.
They didn't
Wait
tell
till
me
the
I'd
top
be
them drop on.
listening. Oh my God, you know what?
Alright,
It's okay. No shakiness to the thing.
Oh, your fins.
So mine are here.
Okay, right.
The
And you have
big ones.
your fins off?
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
Alright.
People, this are Sasha fins.
Right. Right.
Why do you act like that?
Like what?
The way that you act, you don't see how you act.
Exactly.
Look into your face. You see that little flag all the way out there waving? That flag is to tell you that there are divers in the area. So when the boatman them a come and the jet ski man them know, say watch you know. Watch around yourself. You see me? Yes, I see the flag out there. That's the boat to the rest of the divers. Them are the pros. Them are got the pro section. Right?
We're in here. We're closer to the...
Right. See, I think them there. So right now we're at the kiddies part. See it?
Yeah, I don't mind.
Beginners level.
I don't mind.
Right? But stay tuned, you never know. 3 weeks to a month, you might see you out at the pro level. Alright, people, so this GoPro here is going under the water with me. It's connected to this rig. Right? So once I turn it on and I go under the water, and you see it turn to me, and it turn on so I can video Sasha. I'm go so boom and video myself. Boom and video. Yeah, man? Yeah.
He's not even saying video the fish, the coral reef.
Yeah, we have video that too. But you see these people, me need to know if you stop do this too, yeah? I don't know why there are bottles on a garbage bag here. Keep the beach clean, please. You understand? Yeah. So people adding a little shampoo so that baby shampoo. So the glass don't fog up under the water so we can see clear. You understand? And don't worry, it's not a crazy amount where it's going to burn your eyes or anything like that.
That's why we use the baby shampoo.
Yeah.
It's not bad.
Alright. So we just do a little class, get a little lesson, because you don't know, we have to learn about the equipment, what to do underwater, what not to do, right? So, we just do a little test right now. Don't worry yourself, just a couple questions to make sure we remember certain little thing. You know what I mean? The hand sign them and the, you understand? Yeah, so, yeah, after all of that now, then you know, so we are go water, right? As we said, so the thing them a float right there, so. So, yeah, we are going to switch to the GoPro, right? And then when we finish in the water, we switch back to the yeah. Come in, boy. We just need to forget. Yeah. My buoyancy device. Last 2 weekends ago,
Chin up.
Road Marshal. This weekend,
Sea Marshal.
Sea
Yeah, the shoes, I feel like the shoes is harder to get used to than anything else,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, step and then the
And
front
it's
tight like
like-
a fold up.
Exactly. Baby, I'm about to trip on water. Can you believe it?
Nah, trick, man.
I just almost did.
Yo, it's too clear. Yo.
I keep forgetting that I'm not supposed to be breathing through my nose.
I know. That's why we practice it. Alright, so
It's
come
like, I
again.
remember
Come again,
the
guys.
inhale.
Too far apart, too far apart, too far apart.
Hold me, baby, hold me.
Together. Alright, the marshals. Alright, so come again now, guys. After a while, you start to feel a little overwhelming. Alright, good job.
Yeah, I feel like it's important.
Get the bottom for a minute. Alright, so come again, we're going to go again. Yes, you are. That is it. So at first you just blood from your mouth, and then you realize and you do the right thing. Whoa.
I caught as much as when the water flipped me over.
Alright, so I think I let her break before we go. Hurry yourself, man. Hurry yourself.
Today I had the pleasure of taking out Mr. Road Marshal himself and his lovely girlfriend, Sasha. A wonderful job on their very, very first time trying scuba diving with yardie divers and water sports, and I can tell you this,
Yes.
I'm looking forward to having them out again, coming out whenever to try any of the other things, because they did such an amazing job.
And did you see that little stick? I was like, oh my god, it's moving.
Yep,
It's
yep.
moving, and it didn't break. I didn't break it.
Nope, she
I
didn't.
didn't break
She didn't.
it.
She didn't. Like and subscribe, leave a comment, and give a suggestion what else you want to see them try, where you want to see them go.
We're up
Alright,
it.
got them out in the streets, them fully outside. And if them do this, them can't do anything else.
Yes.
Alright, when we reach back at land, we're going to the see or something right so. When we reach back at land, we're going to the full recap, see?
Say less.
Is it time for go bed?
Yeah, we're gonna get the salt off our body right now. Watch out, relax, eh? You know this, all-inclusive, exquisite
Experience.
show. You know what I mean? Yeah. Watch out, they show have different mode. Different mode.
That you getting quality shower at the docks. It must be amazing.
Don't know.
Must be amazing. People, I wish I could have taken this phone with me, but don't worry, we had a GoPro, and look at what the salt water did to my hair color. Anyways, not the point. The point is amazing experience. At first I was struggling with the whole breathing part of it, right? But your girl caught it, and I got to see some really cute fishies, right? And some purple thingies that they said is sea farm, that, right? But they're really pretty, and we have the GoPro, so you're about to see all of it, but quality.
I already see it though.
Oh, you would have already seen it for real. Point is, quality experience. Our instructor was very patient, very knowledgeable. The other people, they were at the big league diving forums. We were the only beginners there, so it doesn't matter if you don't know how to dive, you already know how to dive. There's something for you. Just come on out, right?
All if you can't swim.
All if you can't swim, because they got the little floaty thing that keeps you up, right? All you gotta do is press it. I said, love it, right? So, and it's only $12,000, 12,000 GMT, which I think is roughly 90 USD per person.
Yeah, like 90 US
Yeah,
dollars.
about 90 US dollars per person, which isn't bad for a 4-hour experience. You get transportation, every gear is included, oxygen tanks. So I don't think it's bad.
You get transportation when you reach the harbour.
Yeah,
so
from the harbour.
It's in Port Royal, and when you reach the Port Royal, you jump on the boat carry you out, and then you do your thing.
Yeah, and it's a 4-hour experience, so it started early because of the weather here in Kingston. It gets windy, and apparently it's not nice to dive when it's windy. But it's midday, and we're already done, so we have our entire day. We got to spend some time on the beach.
We'll look some food now.
We're gonna look some food, so come along for the food run to wrap up this day. And this was Where Will We Go? Scuba Diving Edition.